Hey YouTubers, it's Tony with Mayberry Mini Trucks. Today I'm doing a video of a kind of a different sort than I usually do. I've been very busy getting inventory in, dealing with customs. I have had customs seize a whole load of mini trucks, and I'm in the middle of trying to get that worked out, but they can put a random hold. It's random. It's not like we've been doing anything wrong, but it's a random hold. They can put that on a shipment and not on another shipment. So dealing with that, but getting a lot of trucks in. And I've got a lot of trucks lined up. I probably have 70 units right now. And I can't do a video of each unit, obviously, but I can do a kind of a walk down the road into our yard where we have a lot of our trucks stored and just say, here's a Suzuki, here's a Mazda, here's a Daihatsu, here's a Honda, that kind of thing. So that's what I want to do. And that said, we do have probably, I'm going to say 20 units at our mechanics. We have three servicing mechanics and one really um, in, intensive mechanic who can do the fixing of four-wheel drives and stuff like that. So we have about 20 units having the oil changed and check the fluids and make sure everything works. So what you see here is the majority of our inventory. So let's get started. All right, first truck we have is a Suzuki. I'm not going to do a walk around. I'm going to stop myself from the temptation to do a full-blown, uh, you know, full-blown video. That's the purpose of this, is just a walk around. Another Suzuki DD51T, four-wheel drive. A Subaru. And I really should not take the time to show the interior of every truck because there are a lot of trucks. And a Honda. Oh, nope, sorry, Subaru. A Subaru. Oh, I can't resist. Looks nice. Really nice tires. A van, a Daihatsu Hijet van. Two-wheel drive, I think. Yes, automatic. Pretty cool. Honda. The Honda. Looks really nice. A Mitsubishi. This has to be a cursory video, not an in-depth video. This is going to be tough for me because I really like to cover every little tit and tittle. A Mitsubishi. All these are four-wheel drive unless I say it's two-wheel drive. Really nice tires. A Suzuki. A Honda. The battery cover on this Honda, this is the battery cover is broken and that tank is destroyed. We have those tanks and we sometimes replace them because the sun hits the tank and deteriorates it over time. So we're accustomed to replacing that. We got our hands on original Honda tanks, and this thing is beautiful. Suzuki DD51T. Nice. Hey, Suzuki. Another nice one, really pretty. DD51T. Got a dent down the side, on the side panel, like somebody scraped it. This is a Mazda Bongo Brawny. This is nice. This is a diesel, dually diesel, 5-speed. This is a four-wheel drive also. Mechanically, it's got surface rust, but no rust through. It's just the kind of rust that results from use. Looks really good inside. Dirty. All these are dirty because we haven't cleaned them yet. Suzuki. Little surface rust on the front there. Looks good over there. Man, I cannot open every door on every truck. Another Suzuki. Very nice. Oh, here we go. I'm doing it anyway. Boy, that's pretty. Suzuki DD51T. Another one. Suzuki is the most, them and Daihatsu are the most prevalent mini truck manufacturers in the world. For the world supply, they are all made in Japan, of course. But Mitsubishi, a little rust there. This is a Daihatsu. A Daihatsu there, and a Mitsubishi Delica diesel. This is pretty good shape truck. That's a DD51T. Did I get this? I did not. Okay, this is a very dirty but clean Suzuki. DD51T. This is a Daihatsu dump. Lots of surface rust, but again, it also has diff lock. Seat is torn. This is a PTO dump. See the PTO, the red knob. That's another lever called a PTO lever. Nice tires. All right, moving along. This was supposed to be a quick video, not a long video. Nice Honda up here. There's our red dump that I had made. It's a little expensive, but it's worth it. Not everybody has $32,000, but one day it'll find a home. Nice looking Honda. Okay, I am not gonna survey every truck. A Suzuki DD51T. My tanker. I love that truck. It's got an aluminum 12-volt pump tank. This is a Daihatsu that we just got in. We just got in a bunch of trucks last night, and I had to unload everything last night with the help of my family. But we got it done. I've been running back and forth to the port continuously. This is a Honda. This one has a frame that goes over the bed so that a fabric cover can go over it. The frame does come with that truck. This is a Daihatsu that we got in last night. It is on charge because the battery was dead. That either means that somebody left the key on or the battery is bad. If the batteries are bad, we replace them. All right, I'm not supposed to do that. I'm supposed to keep going. All right, and now we have other trucks. These are our trucks that need work, like the idle is not right, or the four-wheel drive doesn't work back there behind that barn, and those go to our mechanic. Okay, so here's a Toyota Town Ace four-wheel drive, another diesel vehicle. Very nice truck. It's a 5-speed. We use that for wood pretty extensively. This is a Honda. The door is dented right there. And the window is open. This is a Daihatsu S83P. A Daihatsu Hijet. Little surface rust on the front. Little smattering of surface rust speckles there. A rust hole in the bed. And this is a Daihatsu S83P. This is a Subaru. Four-wheel drive. I'm hoping this isn't a disappointing video that people are saying, oh, this is much too fast. This is more harm than good. These are Mitsubishis. Mitsubishi four-wheel drive. Suzuki four-wheel drive. Another Suzuki four-wheel drive. And then we have an Aristo, Toyota Aristo, Toyota Corolla wagon, front-wheel drive. That Ford Escort is not for sale. Here we have a nice Isuzu Elf four-wheel drive diesel. We have a Mitsubishi Fuso Canter four-wheel drive four-door, a Daihatsu, a Honda Acti, another Honda Acti, a Nissan Venette over there. That's a dump, a two-wheel drive dump diesel. And here we have a smattering of other vehicles that we just got in. The word hot means absolutely nothing. The guy at the port slapped that sticker on there to identify them as our vehicles. That's all that means. I was so concerned that it meant something. Like customs said, they're hot. I don't know what, but it didn't mean anything. So, okay. That's a Daihatsu Hijet, a Subaru, a Daihatsu Hijet, Daihatsu Hijet van, a Daihatsu Hijet, little rough on the front end on that one, a Suzuki Carry, Mitsubishi Mini Cab, Suzuki Carry, Suzuki Carry, Daihatsu Hijet, a Subaru, silver, very rare color. Also has some rust right there. Mitsubishi van, Suzuki Carry, and lastly in our lineup to be cleaned is a Subaru. So there you have it. Those are the ones to be cleaned. And I'm finishing up here, just wanting to give you an idea of what we have in our inventory. The 20 that are at our mechanic's place, I'm not going to film just because they're far away. I have a really, really nice Nissan Vanette. This is a diesel, and this is one of my cherished vehicles. It's a diesel four-wheel drive dump, and I had it converted to a dump, and I'm really glad I did. It runs perfectly. If I go to town, that's the one I like to take. I think it's 15,000. We have a Subaru four-wheel drive, Daihatsu Hijet. These are all four-wheel drive. A Daihatsu Hijet. Some speckles of surface rust only on the front there. A Daihatsu Hijet. Now I'll get this side. A Honda, a Suzuki, and a Daihatsu. Here's the Honda. The Suzuki. And the Hijet. So we have a large selection of mini trucks. I have been working very hard to get all of these here serviced. Here's a Subaru Sambar. A Mitsubishi Mini Cab. Little speckles of surface rust, but not rust through. A Honda Acti. A Suzuki Carry. And that, my friends, concludes our video of the inventory that we currently have. It is a little shy of the units that are currently being serviced, but that is the majority of what we have. We also have another, I'll say 100 units on the way that have been purchased and are on the water or in Japan. So our goal is to maintain, our first priority is to maintain our level of customer commitment. That is the most important thing, to give high quality vehicles, high quality service. We use full synthetic oil to do that right always, and sell a lot of mini trucks and help a lot of people. So, and get through customs. That's the biggest bear, is customs. They can really make things difficult, but that's life in the mini truck world. We lose a lot of money because of customs. So thank you for watching our video. And if you have any questions, you can call us at 336-777-9957. You can also email us at sales@mayberryminitrucks.com. And you can also check out our website at mayberryminitrucks.com. Thank you.